Hey there, wanted to show you how to just make a quick chart in, what is this called, Google Sheets. So I'm going to select a column here, and I'm going to select, so I'm selecting two columns. One is date and one is balance. I want to basically chart the balance against time, or time against balance, or I don't know which one comes first, but I'm going to highlight those and, what do I go here? Insert, chart. While those are highlighted, it should give me a chart. Just awesome. You can see how easy. And then I just have to click this if I want to, like, I want a line chart. So I'll go down here. They got different options that you can do. You know, I don't know. Maybe this one's kind of nicer actually for my purposes. But then that's it. You know, see, yeah. So very simple, and it even titles it for you and everything. So. That's how you can create a sort of chart based on data in Google Sheets. So I hope that helped.